of silver and gold. Do as you're told.
To achieve this look, you will need some crochet faux locks, a crochet hook, Murray's edge wax to slick the hair down while you're braiding it, and crazy glue. Yes, bitch, crazy glue. So this is where we started at. My sister washed her hair. She had 4C hair. And I chose not to blow dry it just to make this style even quicker. So right here you see how I parted her hair into sections, and I did that first part for the back row of braids. So I braided her hair all the way around to her liking because she didn't want it too bulky. And this is where the fun begins. So you take the crochet hair and you crochet the locks into the braid, well, through the braid, as you can see. Then you take your wrapping hair, the braiding hair, and tightly wrap it around the roots about 2, maybe 3 times just to make sure it's secure. And while you're wrapping it around, you want to make sure the hair stays flat so it doesn't get bulky and big. You want them all to be even and symmetrical. Now here you could just watch me do a couple of the locks so you can see really how I wrap them. This part right here is very important. When you get down past the hair, you're done wrapping the hair, put a little bit of glue to keep that thing secured. But make sure it is imperative that you do not glue the person's hair, their real hair, like to the lock, because then they're gonna have to cut their hair. You're gonna fuck the whole shit up. So now I'm just crocheting these last 3 braids, crocheting the last locks to the braids, because we are almost done. With this angle right here, you could really see like how I twisted. Like you gotta grab one side of the hair and twist the other side and make sure you holding it to keep it secure. You see how I'm keeping the hair flat so it's not bumpy and lumpy. You don't want to rush this, because if you rush it, then when you're done wrapping it and then you let the hair go, it's all just gonna puff up and unravel. Now right here, I'm about to put y'all on to a little finesse. If you can't grip the scalp real good, just crochet the hair right under that braid, like I'm doing right there. Then you got a better grip and it'll stay down to the scalp if you can't really grip it and wrap it to the scalp. Once again, I'm crocheting the hair under the braid, like so, grabbing the short piece and then wrapping it around, nice and flat and secure. And voila, look at that. Nice and full, but not too full and bulky, not too tight on the scalp, nice and long, all done within 3 hours. It shouldn't take you no longer than 3 hours to do this. And I didn't add this last part to the video, but we extended her locks and made them even longer than what they was before by crocheting another lock to the end and wrapping it all together. And look at that. Look at that. She feeling herself. Look. Look at this. Feeling herself. She don't know how to act. She don't know how to act. Look. Soup.